If I knew about this product, I would probably not do what I did. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you guys my journey on refreshing my braids. As you guys can tell, they're really bad right now. Like, I just need them to give me like at least 2 or maybe a week. I don't know, because Valentine's Day is coming and I don't feel like keeping braids. I feel like going back to my wig, but to be honest, I had a real break. I had these for like a month now. Before I start, I know it's been a minute. Your girl is back on YouTube, and if that's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. My name is Bajeen. Welcome to my channel. Okay, if you guys are excited as I am, let's go ahead and start this video. So for products, I'm gonna use very basic stuff, like stuff that you can find from my Amazon storefront. I will be linking it down below so you guys have it accessible for you to use or grab the products. It's very easy. I have this hair wipes, scalp wipes, nourishing care and deep cleansing for all hair type. If I knew about this product, I would probably not do what I did back after my surgery. If you guys been following me on Instagram, you guys know that I had a wrist surgery. I did get my hair done before my surgery and I had braids, and I had the brilliant idea to wash my hair after I got my stitches removed. So if I knew about this routine, I would probably not do that. I'm gonna start by washing the front of my hair because I need these products to be out. That's the first wipes, and it is dirty as hell. So I am going to go ahead and use the second one. And after that, I'm going to go and fix these curls because I don't know how yet, but we're going to have to figure it out because there's no way. Oh my gosh. There's no way my hair is looking like this right now. And I've been working. I went to Boston last week for work, and my hair was like this. Okay, so I am all done. It's definitely looking better than it was looking when I first started this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what is you guys' favorite product. Comment down below and let me know if you are gonna use these products or not. You know, it's an easy fix. So I'm curious if anybody else is gonna use it. I feel like my next video should be you know, styling my bohemian braids type of video. You know, probably have makeup on, whatever, look cute. But yeah, I mean, like, for example, this is cute, you know, a half up, half down with two little braids on the side. Yeah, that should be cute. Yeah, with one. Okay, it's falling, but I did this before, like with kind of like braids coming down and stuff like that. But that's for another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you guys learned a little bit. Yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.